Hey Tony, this is the grand finale. I'm going to do something right now that's never been done before on the likes of Facebook. We're going to do a dessert, but first a dinner and a coffee, all mixed together in one. Ready? Here we go. Vanilla vodka. Kahlua. A little more Kahlua. Let that sit a second. That's going good. Espresso. That's how the fancy bartenders do it. This is already iced, chilled. It's good to go. I need a little more room than that. Stick with me here. Scoop of Haagen-Dazs vanilla. Oh yeah. So like the coffee, vanilla coffee excitement here. And then coffee beans. Coffee, espresso, Sundae. That's done. Stick with me, Tone. Stick with me, Tone. How am I doing so far? Good? I said 3 minutes. I think I can still do this. I like to use a long spoon instead of a knife when I do this particular gourmet sandwich because it's easier to get the stuff from the bottom. This is strawberry jam and natural peanut butter. For everyone's favorite peanut butter and jelly sandwich. And delicious, don't you worry, Tom. I'll cut the edges off for you. A little obligatory tapping. Well, I'm over, but I'm done. This is you see that? Peanut butter and jelly squares and a beautiful Espresso Martini Sundae. Thanks everybody for playing along.